Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not exporting your whole video. Sometimes, and that also happened to me, you're just editing your video and then you want to go to the deliver page, but DaVinci Resolve doesn't render your whole video but just a small part of it. What you need to do here in the deliver tab is under render, just click on entire timeline instead of in-out range. So just entire timeline, and then DaVinci Resolve just exports your entire timeline of your video. Try it out and let me know if it worked. Okay, that was a little hack on how to fix DaVinci Resolve not exporting your whole video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.